Some call me nature, others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I try, you try. When I falter, you falter, or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have a fresh special guesses than you, and I have started special guesses than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forest, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, where you resist or disresist me, doesn't really matter to me one way or the other. Your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?